Hari Om Tat Sat. Today, it's a yes or no reading. If you have any project in your mind, career-related questions, pregnancy, marriage, whatnot, whatever is your situation currently, think about that situation and see for yourself, is it a yes or no based on the reading? Are you on the right path? All of it. Come, let's find out. Yes or no reading for you with Angel Answers deck. It's also getting smudged. Pray for a proper answer. Now close your eyes and think of a question. Be it any situation, project, your exam related, marriage related, baby related, any situation for that matter, think about it and we'll find out through angels if it's going to be a yes, or should you go ahead with it, or is it a no? Is there anything you can work on so that it becomes a yes if it's a no? All of these things, what angels really want to communicate to you, and it is going to happen within the next 7 days from the day of reading. Let's start. So not only angel deck, I'm also using a light seer deck for reference to see what all comes your way here. Yes, no, is it just confusing? We'll find out. Now, I hope you had enough time to think about your situation and you have asked the angels all these butterfly crowns or this deck. Just connect to the both of the decks here and ask your question. The moment you ask a question, I'm going to now start shuffling here. Meanwhile, the angels, let them pick your energies. Whatever project you are willing to start and you needed a confirmation, we'll go one by one. It's a yes here based on the Knight of Cups here, and your spirit animal could be a horse here, white horse I'm seeing. A very affirmative yes we've received for the initial few seconds only. And with respect to love, if you had asked especially, so we'll go this way one by one. We'll do for career, we'll do for love, we'll do for any spiritual related questions. We'll cover things like that in this video. So here, if you had asked about love, then it's a yes. You're getting communication. If you wanted a communication from this person, if you wanted some patch up or apology from this person, that's on its way as well. All love, I'm able to see a lot of love. Beach, something with respect to beach. Universe is trying to communicate with the clouds, lightning, and some repeat numbers. This is also what I can see. It's a thumbs up from the cards here with respect to the light seer deck. As you two decks and same kind of affirmation, same kind of affirmative yes. So if you had asked about love, then romance is there written for you. It's coming in the next 7 days. You're seeing magical changes happening. You're connecting with your divine counterpart. I see intertwined with love and working on each other's emotions, healing each other. The moment you meet this person, your spiritual growth is like going to go up. You're reaching heights with this person. Amazing. It's a yes. If you wanted to know marriage proposal or relationship, should you continue, should you leave this person, etc., don't leave this person. Romance is on the cards. Knight of Cups, though this person has all the ability to change and give you good love language fulfillment. All your wishes will be fulfilled with respect to love if you were asking about love. Now let's see more cards here. If you were asking about health, recovery is the card I'm seeing. We'll do a mix and match of the cards, okay? I love playing with the cards. So recovery is written for you if you are asking about health with respect to the angel. There was a lesson that you needed to learn. If you were stress eating, if you were putting on weight, if you were losing weight, there is a viral fever, evil eye, all of this, you're getting rid of it. So it's a yes. If you had asked, will I recover with respect to my health? Show me an answer. Look at this. I told you, if you were into obsessive eating, and you had addictions, you were suffering from all of this, from the devil within you or around you, you are recovering. It's an affirmative yes. Definitely health changes are going to be happening to you here. Now, we've received the Knight of Swords. I see if you wanted to know if you will buy a nice vehicle, if you will purchase something and chase your dreams, if you wanted to know passionately if you're doing some project, will it be successful? It's a yes from this deck. Wow. And when will it happen, or will it even happen? Look at this. The answer for us comes up. So within the next few months, you will see that this is happening. Wow. If it is a project, it will start and it will give you the benefits like ROI. If you've invested somewhere and you wanted to know if you will get things back from your investment, I definitely see in the near future. Success, another card here. Continuously I'm having the cards here with me. Success. A lot of success you will see with respect to any project you put your hands. Okay, few watching here are doctors, healthcare providers, intuitive tarot card readers, psychics, noble profession. All of you will see great success. You want to start a hospital, you want to start a clinic of your own, want to do things of your own, then it's successful. Definitely you're going to reap benefits of your success. It's a yes card again, a very affirmative yes. Let's see more cards. What is it going to happen with respect to this pressing issue that you have? Again, it's yes. If your question was about career related, any examination related, you're going to ace the exam or not, is this the right exam to take? All of these things, it's coming as an affirmative yes for me again. And pause this video and ask the universe now immediately to show a bird, a dragonfly, a feather, whatever you can resonate with, the things that I named. Ask universe to show that within the next 24 to 48 hours, to affirm, to see if universe is listening. Do this fun experiment and then come back to this video and comment. What did you see? What you had asked for? Did you see it? Did it come in different forms to you? All of it, I would love to know about it. Now, I will take one card from this and see within the next few months, it's all going to happen. Within the next few months, again, it's affirming us with a positive reading. And one last card here, Three of Cups. It's celebratory, celebration. It's about sigil. So maybe in this video, if I have a feeling, I'll give you a sigil, which I make myself. I do personalize the sigils as well. So here I'm going to give you one sigil, which will confirm whatever you're doing is a yes. So you can take a screenshot of the sigil, and I would have told you what to do with the sigil, where to keep it, how to draw, everything in detail at the end of the video. Now we are here. Watch it carefully, save it for yourselves. Thank you so much for being in this reading. It was a yes, 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 screaming yes for whatever you asked, whether it was marriage, pregnancy, career, job promotion, getting a job. You name the issue you had or clarity you needed. The universe and angels have told it's a yes. You're on the right path. Thank you so much. Namaste.